For questions 27 through 34, we are given the universal set and sets A, B, and C. And it's going to be helpful to know what the complements of set A, B, and C are. So as you can see, I've already found what those three complements are, and I've listed them underneath the original sets. So for 27, we are trying to find the intersection of A complement and B. So the intersection of those two sets. So what numbers do those two sets have in common? That would be 3 and 5. (28) wants us to find the intersection of A and B complement. So what numbers do those two sets have in common? That would be 2 and 6.